My dear friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a DIY protein treatment on my hair, and as you can see, I'm using 1 onion, 1 egg, and I will also mix with castor oil and olive oil, as you will see in a few. So I'm just preparing the onion by crushing it so that I can extract the juice from it. So I am using onion juice because onion juice promotes hair growth and it helps in controlling dandruff and minimizes hair thinning and also reduces hair breakage. So I have been using onion juice since last year and I can testify to it that it really works. So if you are experiencing hair thinning, hair breakage and dandruff, onion juice is something that will really help you in fighting those problems. So let me know what you think about this process in the comment section below. So I'm also going in with the egg just to mix with the juice, and I'm using the egg because the egg also helps in promoting hair growth, it reduces hair loss, and the egg actually has biotin in it, which helps in thickening your hair and also just making your hair healthy and nourishing your scalp and encouraging hair growth and just to make your hair looking stronger. So this is a very nice combination for my hair because every ingredient promotes hair growth. As you can see, I'm just going in with castor oil just to mix with it because also castor oil is very good in thickening your hair and also just promoting hair growth, as well as olive oil. So if you're new to my channel, you are very welcome, and you can support my channel by subscribing, liking my video, and also watching my videos to the end, and also dropping a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. I really appreciate it and I do not take it for granted. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm just transferring the solution to this bottle, and after that I'm going to apply to my hair. So I'm just applying the solution to my scalp and to my hair and massage, and just to make sure that it is absorbed into my hair very well. So guys, I hope that everything is going on well with you wherever you are, and you are keeping it safe and you're continuing to trust in the Lord. The Bible says in Proverbs 3:5 that trust in the Lord and do not lean on your own understanding, because God's ways are perfect and He has a good plan for us. So just continue trusting in the Lord and everything is going to be okay. And remember to delight yourself in God. And after delighting yourself in God, the Bible says that God will give us the desires of our hearts as long as we are in His will. So keep it safe and continue relying on God. He will not disappoint you. Okay. So for you to have good results, you want to make sure that you are consistent and you are going to exercise patience with it. It's not something you're going to use it once and experience results in a minute. So it is something that is going to need patience and consistency. So if you're doing something, even if it is not hair, you need to apply consistency and also patience for you to experience good results. Like, you will never go wrong with consistency, and you will always get the benefits of your patience in life. That is a promise. And if there is something I have been able to learn in this life, is that patience pays, and whoever is patient with life and patient at what they are doing, they always reap the benefit of being patient. Okay, so just be patient with it and make sure you are doing it consistently. So So I just finished applying the solution. As you can see, I'm just sectioning my hair and twisting it, because after this I'm going to wash my hair, and I like washing my hair into smaller sections because for me it is very easy and very quick when I'm cleaning my hair, and also it helps in just detangling my hair very quickly when it is in smaller sections. And remember to take good care of your hair. Do not continue doing hairstyles that put pressure to your scalp and to your hair, because if you're doing hairstyles that manipulate your hair and ruin your hair, they will break your hair. Your hair will be growing, but it is breaking off. So that's when you will not be seeing end results on your hair, and you will be like, oh, I'm not seeing the result. This thing is not working for me. No, it is not that it is not working for you. Maybe you're doing something wrong, like maybe doing hairstyles that are manipulating your hair and also combing your hair when it is dry. So you're not supposed to comb your hair when it is dry. You are supposed to comb our hair when it is damp. So don't comb your hair when it is dry. Make sure to take good care of your hair as you do this process, and you will have good results and you will love it. So let me know what you think about this process. Comment in the comment section below, okay? And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also share. So I'm just covering my hair with this cap and leave it for about an hour. So see you in my next video.